Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing from Lori Matson. First thing I've got is this. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are fun. So I think these are acrylic. But aren't those really gorgeous? They've got like those little magic beads around them. So sparkly. I can see those. This would be really fun in like a Christmas necklace, like holly berries or cranberries or something. Yummy. And then I've got some marbled beads. I have in the past purchased this style from her, not in this shape. So I wanted to use them in conjunction with the ones that I already have from her. Lori included a freebie. That's nice. I think I have some of these leaves somehow, maybe from Fire Mountain Gems, I don't know. But we've got some acrylic leaves that could make a fun necklace. Nice statement necklace with those. Thank you, Lori. And we've got, oh, these are nice, like some little, I thought they were acrylic at first, but no, they're metal little links, double-sided. These are really nice. I love those. And then we've got some more acrylic leaves. These are great, perfect for earrings. Maybe we'll make a quick pair of earrings using these. I like those. I'm going to put those to the side. Okay. I didn't get much. I got some more acrylic. These look like little macaroni and cheese noodles, but they're marbled and they're like bamboo looking almost. Thought those were really cool. Love that color. I got an ohm symbol. Very nice. Make a yoga necklace. I don't do yoga, but I could still make a yoga necklace. And some little vintage charms. They're so lightweight. They're so cute. Little roses. Gorgeous. Beautiful orange roses. And then it looks like, oh gosh, I don't know what this is. Let's see. Oh, a vintage necklace I bought. I collect vintage necklaces, like not a lot of them, I only really like certain styles, but this is just really gorgeous. I might have to add some length to this. Maybe not, probably though. It looks pretty short, and I actually don't know where this would hook on. Maybe just like that. But isn't this gorgeous? So I'll clean it up a little bit, just like wash it with mild soap and water, maybe just water, and then I'll wear it. I'm gonna probably make some links with some of my own white beads, maybe if I can find some vintage ones. But isn't this cool? It looks a little futuristic, like spacey, but vintagey at the same time. So I really love it, and it was only $6. I thought it was really pretty. And then 2 earrings came with it. And I could turn that into a ring or a bracelet. I'll probably turn it into a bracelet somehow, although they are clip-ons. And then there's some kind of, oh, it says West Germany. I wouldn't wear these. I think they're a little too patinaed for me to put them on my ears, but I would maybe wash them and put them on my wrist in a bracelet somehow. So we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, I love it. Thank you so much, Lori. I always like my hauls from her. She's always got some really interesting stuff. So let's try and make, oh, she sent a little card. Let's try and make a pair of earrings using these, huh? Let me think about what I have, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my acrylic leaf. I cut 3 lengths of chain. 2 are the exact same length, and then 1 is just a little bit longer. I have an assortment of jump rings in, I think, 4 different sizes. So I have 3 singles, and then I have 9 of this size. And I have some check glass. I busted out my check glass beads. I think some of these I got from Kathy. I have 9 of these little spacer sized ones. Aren't they so cute? I love them. And then this guy. So I think it's really pretty. I know I got that one from Kathy. So I think the chain at one point came from Bargain Bead Box. So Anyway, I am going to attach my little check glass beads to my chain by using some of these medium-sized jump rings. So we'll just go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you one and then I'll speed through the other two. So for this one, I'm just going to attach one to the bottom. Just thread that through my bead. Close the jump ring. And then I'm going to get my next one. And I'm going to go to the fourth one up. So here's the first one that we attached it to already. Sorry, it's a little blurry. And then I'm going to count 4. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to slip it in the fourth one right there. And attach another check bead. Close up my jump ring, and I'll repeat that again. So including the one that we used, 1, 2, 3, 4. And put that on. I'm going to do that with the remaining 2 chain pieces, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my 3 pieces completed. I also forgot I need a head pin, and we're going to make a charm or dangle out of our other check glass flower. I tried out like 3 different flowers, and this was the one that looked the best. We're just going to do a simple loop. And then I'm going to assemble my earring. So first I'm going to take my oval jump ring. I'm pretty sure I got this from Pam at Bead Temptation. And I'm just going to slip that in my leaf, close it up. Okay. Next I am going to take my largest jump ring, and I am going to, well, my next largest jump ring, I should say. I'm going to find my shortest strand, which are these 2. Okay, and I'm going to hook one onto my jump ring, then the longest, and then the shortest again. And then I am going to hang that from the front of my leaf. You can hang it from the back too, but I want the chain hanging out in the front. And then I'm going to take my last jump ring. Oops, I lost him. There we go. Hook on my flower. And then I am going to put that on my oval. Open that up a little bit more. Close that up. And there we go. I'm going to get a couple ear wires and 2 more small jump rings, or more than 2. And I am going to assemble or put my earring onto the ear wire. It's raining outside. That's why I paused. I was like, what is that noise? It's raining. I thought somebody was taking in their trash can, but it's raining. Very atypical for Arizona. So here is our gorgeous earring. I have the second one finished. I just want to put it on an ear wire. And I'm going to make sure that the split in my jump ring is in the back of the earring. There we go. And we have a beautiful pair of vintage inspired earrings thanks to Lori. Thanks for the extras, Lori. Oh, those are so sweet. I love them. They're boho. They're kind of retro because of these flowers, and they're definitely vintage inspired. So I'm happy with them. Unfortunately, I don't wear earrings, so I'll be giving these away to somebody in my life at some point. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite item was, and if you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye. Good morning. How's your day so far? You had some breakfast and some tummy rubs, and now you're taking another nap? Yeah? Say hi to your friends. Happy Saturday, friends. Happy Saturday. Bye.